Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your YouTube channel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you create a media kit for your YouTube channel if you're a YouTube creator? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need a media kit anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a YouTube creator, you know that sometimes brands are going to reach out to you asking for various promotion, but they want to see your media kit, which basically describes your audience and what type of content you do. And it used to be that you had to go out there and create one maybe in Canva or something like that. But recently YouTube rolled out a feature where you can pull the data directly from YouTube Studio, and it's already put together with all of your data. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube Studio. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube Studio, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your YouTube channel media kit, here on the left side, you're going to click on Earn. It looks like a $sign. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top, and you want to click here on Brand Connect. Okay, once you do that, you're going to look for this box here called Media Kit. It's going to give you a little bit of information about your audience interest. Kind of interesting that my audience is interested in 30-minute chefs. I'm not sure why that is. So what you want to do is click here on View Media. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see an image of your media kit. So as you can see, it automatically pulled the statistics from my YouTube channel. So it has my subscribers and these key channel stats. So 10,000 watch hours in the past 28 days, subscribers, average percentage viewed, and then also shows a lot of the demographics. So most of my audience is from the US. For some reason, I have a Nigerian audience, 7.5%, and age groups, and then audience interests down here. So for me, investors, 30-minute chefs, even though this channel, I'm not really cooking anything, but that's interesting. Shopping interests, and then your contact information down here. So maybe some of this data you don't want to share in your media kit. So what you can do is off to the right of each little square here, you're going to see these three little dots. You can click on there and you can go ahead and hide that if you want. And then once you have your YouTube channel media kit, you're going to scroll up and you can go ahead and download PDF right here, this black button. Okay, now you can see it puts together a PDF version of your YouTube channel media kit. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to put together a media kit for your YouTube channel if you're a creator, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.